Hello, in this video we will see the very basics of a small signal model where we will see only if you see the diode connected structure, so the resistance from the this side from the drain will be equal to 1 by gm, but it is not exactly equal, it is approximately 1 by gm. So this is, if you see closely the small signal model, and from here you can see that the current through this is gm vgs plus the voltage at this node divided by r naught. So because of this the r out is 1 by gm parallel r naught, but in approximation we say it is 1 by gm. Similarly 1 by gm when you see from the source side, but the condition is the small signal model is ground here. Okay, if it is ground here and here, then the r out basically from the source is 1 by gm. So again here if you see from the small signal model, if it is vx and the current through this is gm vgx, this current, and the current going outside is equal to so here if I see, so gm vgs, so this current should be what in this direction, but the magnitude is gm vgs, so this will be gm vg is 0 vx, so this will be minus gm vx. So because of that it will come this side. Okay, because here minus gm vgs minus gm vx, here ix, and in this direction it is vx upon r naught, so this is minus. Okay, so this will be equal to outgoing gm vx, incoming ix, outgoing vx upon r naught. So one in incoming current, two outgoing current, so that is here. So because of that also if you see here the r out is 1 by gm parallel r naught, but approximated to 1 by gm. Okay, so in both the cases when diode connected is there, it is obvious that it will be approximately equal to 1 by gm, and when it is from looking from the source, condition is the drain is grounded in small signal model, in AC model, and this is also ground, then only it will be 1 by gm, and the point is both are 1 by gm. And one important point I want to share is that when there is rs, so degenerated source resistance in the common source amplifier, then this circuit can be equivalent to without rs, there is no rs but ground, but gm is now changed to gm upon 1 plus gm rs. So this is the basic intuitive, it will help you in the signal analysis, in the way of intuitive analysis of the circuit. So for that it is required that when there is a degenerated resistance, then we can assume that it is equivalent to common source amplifier without rs, but the gm is now updated to gm upon 1 plus gm rs. So this is the point. So this is the very basic about the small signal model of the common nmos and common source amplifiers. So we will use all this concept in next video.